Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can automatically save audio from TikTok to your Spotify app or even like the iMusic app. I use Spotify, so that's where I'm going to link it to. Basically just select on the song here, and as you can see there's an add to music app. You're going to select it, then you're going to select your preferred music app. I'm just going to select Spotify. Then I'm going to link that. Select agree. And now it's been added to my library, my liked songs, by just clicking on that. So it is that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!